Want to clone the brain of expert YouTubers? Do it fast with NotebookLM. Step 1. Gather the videos and transcripts, download clips or capture timestamps. Step 2. Upload the videos into NotebookLM as inserted sources and let it index. Step 3. Craft a prompt like "Teach me their workflow" and ask NotebookLM to summarize. Then ask follow-ups, show editing shortcuts, rare tips, and recurring templates. Combine multiple creators to synthesize a super expert brain for your niche. Use screenshots and short 10 to 30-second clips to keep context. Label each source clearly. Add annotations and scribble notes inside NotebookLM to capture each creator's voice and tone. Test the clone by asking it to script a video in their style, then compare to the original clips. Practical tip: use versioning site sources and keep a clean folder structure for reproducibility. Try it now. Insert one YouTuber and ask for their step-by-step workflow. Subscribe for advanced prompts and grab the free NotebookLM template linked below.